Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and today I'm showing you one more sofa set. And before going further in the details of the sofa, I'd like to show you some small clips where you can see how much effort, how much work is required to create something like this. We are artisans, and this is handwork that you're looking at. And making something like this requires a process that involves a lot of people. बहुत सारे लोग लगते हैं एक सेट तैयार करने में, कारपेंटर से लेके डिजाइनर्स, आर्टिशंस, देन कुशन पीपल, पेंटिंग गाइज, पैकिंग गाइज, ट्रांसपोर्ट गाइज, और उसके बाद जाकर एक यूनिट आपके घर तक पहुंचती है. सेल्स टीम शुरू में पूरा काम करती है आपके साथ, आपका डिज़ाइन फाइनल करवाने में, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट समझने में, और ये सारा प्रोसेस होने के बाद फाइनली एक चीज़ बनकर आपके घर आती है. एंड दिस रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. All these clips that are on the screen running right now can show you how much work we do to create something that fits your requirement and as per your choice. This sofa set is again from a catalog. Catalog means a picture that is designed on a software or a computer and uploaded to internet. ऐसी आपको बहुत सारी images online मिलेंगी जिसमें कंप्लीट सेटअप्स होते हैं, कारपेट, शैंडेलियर्स, वासेस, फ्रेंच विंडोज, पूरा पूरा गद्दे के साथ और साइड टेबल पे लैंप रखे हुए. These kind of setups mostly 99% are computer generated. बिल्कुल सिंपल लॉजिक ये है कि इन सब सेटअप्स में कहीं भी किसी सेलर का नंबर, लोगो या नाम नहीं होता. तो जो इतना बड़ा सेटअप तैयार कर रहा है, इतना पैसा लगा रहा है, एक्चुअल में अगर वो कर रहा है तो वो बेचता क्यों नहीं है? Why they are not selling it, or why they are not giving their details? So if you check these pictures, you will not find anyone, any number, any contact there. These pictures comes to us, client select करते हैं अपनी choice, and then we finally make them to reality here. This is another set I'm showing you, and this one is in champagne gold, and 3-seater, 2-seater, 2-seater with a open back Seti in quite a different design. It has got 2 tables, center tables, 2 side tables. It's a big set going to Delhi. Teak wood, and that is the best part because it is sturdy and durable and lasts for a lifetime. Nice suede fabric to match the aura of the set as liked by the client. जो client ने पसंद किया, हमने वो बनाया with contemporary quilting at the back. अब सेट की डिटेल्स में चलते हैं और मैं आपको सेट का क्लोजर लुक दिखाता हूं. Let's start with the Taj part, and you will see intricate carving right on the top. And this is the artwork that gives it the Maharaja look. जब भी महाराजा फर्नीचर की बात होती है या रॉयल फर्नीचर की बात होती है तो मोस्टली एक क्राउन शेप आप यूनिट्स में देखते हैं, वेदर इट्स अ सोफा और इट्स अ चेयर, बेड और एनी अदर आइटम. जनरली एक क्राउन फिगर सेंटर में आती है, एंड दैट्स द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ महाराजा furniture. If I sit on it, let me sit right in the middle of it, and you can see the look at the back, and that gives the beauty to the set. The other design that you see here is the lower part of this unit. I'm sure you have seen very less designs, very less sets like this, where the entire base is carved. Generally you see leg design, 2 legs on both sides, a leg in the middle, but this has a complete frame structure and completely carved. Moving on to the leg part, if you see the leg design also, it has got very nice curves here, and this curve is inclined to the back. It's not a straight line. Here you can see this is the front part and my hand at the back. There is a gap. This is the front part and it's leaning to the back. And the same design continues in the Seti, open back Seti, and the 2-seater and the 2-seater here. The color in itself is a new color we have developed recently. अभी कुछ दिन पहले नितिन गोयल हमारे कंपनी में जो डायरेक्टर हैं उनके साथ मैंने एक डाइनिंग की वीडियो की थी, एंड इन दैट आई हैव शोन यू दिस सेम कलर इस फॉर द सेम क्लाइंट. उनका ही सोफ़ा है ये, एंड द सेम कलर एंड थीम इज कंटिन्यूड. साइज़ की बात करें तो 3-सीटर का साइज़ आउट एंड आउट 7 फीट है. बैक हाइट इज़ क्लोज टू 4.5 फीट. और फ्रंट टू बैक ये थोड़ा सा सेट बड़ा है। जनरली सोफा 28 इंचेस डीप होते हैं, ये 32 इंचेस 4 इंचेस एक्स्ट्रा है, क्योंकि इसमें कर्व्स जो हैं उन्हें कवर करने के लिए वी हैव टू गेट अ लिटिल मोर डेप्थ। एंड फाइनली द एंटायर सेट इज लाइक दिस। टू सीटर की बात करें, टू सीटर इज आउट एंड आउट 5.5 feet, रेस्ट डायमेंशंस आर सेम। And then we have in fact 2 center tables along with this. I'll show you a little later. Before that, we'll talk about the Seti part. I'll show you the Seti now, and this is the open back Seti. The same design concept, and you can see the curves clearly, how the design is flowing inside on both ends. Best part about Seti is it's same from both the sides. So you can put it this way, you can put it the other way. It can be used from that side or this side. No matter how you want to use it, it'll look the same. Other feature about the open back Seti is it doesn't block your view. So if I'm sitting here, my view is quite clear from the front. So if there's a TV on the front or a window there or a garden there, or there's an entrance from where you want to show the entire set, is quite visible, clearly visible from here. Now this is the table we have along with this set. Just like the sofa set has got a lot of curves and carvings, similarly this design has got quite curves and on top completely carved. So once you put a glass on top of it, it's ready for use. In fact, we have 2 tables. The client required 2. One more is there, but it's a similar design, so I'm showing you one. And similarly the curves in the legs and all sides. So it complements the sofa set in design and of course the same color. When we have big sets, then generally such concepts are quite preferred. If you want a divan, a inclining divan that we also call a chaise lounge, that can also work along with the unit. Or another concept, very interesting concept, is of jhula. You can get a swing along with this unit, and it looks quite nice to have something different in your place. If you have some requirement for single chairs instead of 2-seaters, then we can provide you that too. So entire thing depends on what you like. The colors, the fabrics, the designs, number of seats, single table, 2 tables, side tables, everything as per your choice. If you visit our website aarsunwoods.com, there is a section of sofas and you will find hundreds of actual designs there. बहुत सारे actual designs हैं, catalog images नहीं, real designs, और corresponding videos उनकी YouTube पर हैं. Close to 650, I think more than 650 videos we have on YouTube now. और सब में मैंने बहुत डिटेल में आपको सोफा सेट साइजेस, डिज़ाइंस, कलर्स दिखाए हैं. And still, if you want to see more, you can contact us, you can let us know what you are looking for, and we can design and make something for you. Any questions about the pricing, about the material, about anything you want, or any feedback about our video, about our work, any comments you have, or just an appreciation, कुछ भी आप बताना चाहें, कहना चाहें, we are more than happy to hear from you. You can write in the comment section, you can call us, the number is right here, or if you have any query, please contact us anytime. Hope you like our work. This is going to Delhi. We are delivering across the globe to all the major countries. And if you are out of India also, you can contact us. We will make a set something like this as per your design and deliver to your place. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.